What's going on, my fellow miners? Welcome back. I'm having a day today. Not a good day. My voice is still gone. Both my cars decided that they were going to take a dump today. And yeah, so on one car, the alternator went out. On the other car, the clutch bearing went out, the pilot bearing. Oh, I'm having a day. Hopefully you guys are having a better day. Here's your assignment for today. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what kind of day you guys are having. I want to know. Hopefully it's a good day. So that way I can feel better knowing that you guys are having a good day. Anyways, today's topic, if you didn't guess by the title and the thumbnail, Trex miner. I've been messing with this quite a bit. I've been experimenting with this. I'm going to show you some test results and we're going to experiment some more. Trex miner, when you're doing dual mining, does not use as much power as you guys think it does. Because a lot of people were thinking that, okay, it's mining 2 coins. Does that mean that it's using more power than it normally would? The answer is no. But I'm going to show you why. Okay. Before we begin, I'm just going to say I don't have a voltmeter attached to my rig. But I have another tool that we can use to see how many watts is being used on my 3060 when it's mining 2 coins at once and when it's not. So we're going to take a look at that. Before we do, make sure you hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you guys are new. There's a lot of you guys who are not yet subscribed. I appreciate you watching anyways, and hopefully you can hit that sub button today. They say that every time you hit the sub button and you subscribe to the channel, that Bitcoin goes up another percentage. That's what they say. I don't know. It's just what I heard through the grapevine. Anyways, so to run today's experiment, this is what we're going to do. I've been running the dual mining now for almost a full day now. I do the dual miner anyways, but for this experiment, I've been running it for almost a day. I think like 17, 18 hours, something like that is what it's been running at. Okay, so I'm going to show you how many watts is being used currently on my PC with with my graphics card. So I have 3 graphics cards on this PC. All right, so I have a 1080, a 3060, and a 2070 currently running on this PC. As of right now, this video, the 2070 is not mining. Okay, so currently the only thing that's mining is the 1080 and the 3060. Because I'm using the 2070 to record this video right now for you guys. So with that being said, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how much power is being used. So how many watts is being used currently by my computer for these graphics cards. Again, I've been having a day, so my brain is just like slow today. So I'm going to show you what is being used currently. And I'm going to show you guys how much power is being used when it's just mining 1 coin and when it's at idle. Okay, so first things first, we're going to go and take a look at the dual miner, how much power is being used on the dual miner, and then we will go to idle, and then we will go to 1 coin. All right, so that way you guys can see the difference between the 3. So let's go ahead and switch my screen here. All right, so this is currently mining right now Ethereum and Conflux. Okay, so it's doing the dual mining. It's going through Ethereum and Conflux. Like I said, I don't have a voltmeter attached to my PC. But as you can see right here, it's drawing 101 watts. It says 101 watts on Ethereum and 101 watts on Conflux. Some of you guys have thought, because I've been getting this a lot in the comment section, some of you guys thought or think that it's doing 200, or like you add them together. No, that's not what's actually going on. We're gonna take, like I said, take a look at this here. I currently have this set at 60% because it's recommended to set it at 60%. So right now it's also at LHR 39, which is actually really nice. I'm glad that it's there. So yeah, with that being said, the power you see right there, it says 101 watts, and then you see the efficiency going through there on the side. So anyways, what I'm using to be able to see how much wattage is being used is actually NiceHash, but not the website and not the program the OS that they have available. For whatever reason, it doesn't show on those. I don't know why. You think it would, but it doesn't. So if I was to look on the dashboard or the devices on the OS system, it doesn't tell me how much watts is being used. Even when I click on the cards, nothing. It doesn't give me any of that. And then when I'm on the website itself, again, it doesn't give me any of that information. But to be able to check it out, if you have the app on your phone, you can actually see it by clicking on your worker to be able to see how many watts is being used on your PC when you're mining. Okay, so I'm gonna switch this back over really quick. So right here, so you guys can see. Okay, now ignore the actual profitability. It's just the way that it works. This is a little bit weird to explain. The way that it works is because you can't really specifically connect your dual miner to your NiceHash operating system. So in order to do it, you have to put the Stratum address, and then you have to put your NiceHash wallet address for it to mine to NiceHash and pay in Bitcoin to your NiceHash wallet. But what it does do, because I have the 3060 connected to this rig, it still shows how much power is being used on this rig. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys here. So currently on this rig, 313 watts is being used when I'm mining on the 1080 and the 3060. Okay, and then the the 2070 is being used right now for recording the video, so that's always going to stay a constant. But as you can see right here, let's see if here, let me actually lower the lower, you can see it right there, 313. So 313 watts is what's being used right now. Come on, get it closer. Yeah, reflect. That's fine. There you go. So 313 watts, you can see right there, is being used on this rig that has 4 devices, but only one is actually being used at the moment. Okay. So actually, hold on. For some reason, it's saying that two's active. I'm only using one thing to mine. So what are you talking about? That's very weird. All right. Well, either way, 313 watts was being used mining, using the dual miner on my 3060 and mining on the 1080. Let me go ahead and refresh it here just to make sure we're good to go. Yeah, okay, so we're good. It updated. It says 1 active device when there's actually 2 that's currently active, but 317 watts is currently being used. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it off. So I'm going to turn off the mining. I'm doing that right now. So I'm closing the Trex miner. So it's gone. Okay, now it went to my my 1080, but it's gone. The Trex miner's gone. All right, so now with only the 1080 mining, let's see what we're sitting at. I'm gonna let it be for just a minute here, so that way it can kind of just calm itself down, right? All right, and just like that, the power on this rig dropped down to 207 watts. So we can pretty much say almost 110 watts. We round up a little bit. So right there, you can see 210 watts, or I'm sorry, 207 watts with just the 1080 mining and everything else just sitting on idle. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to test just running the card mining on just Ethereum, right? So we're going to set it to just mine Ethereum. Excuse me, like I said, my voice is gone. We're going to mine Ethereum using Trex miner, using the new LHR auto tuning that they have. So I'm going to run it. I'm going to let it run for a bit, and then we're going to check up on it. All right, so we let it go. It's been mining for 7 minutes now. Let's go ahead and check on it. I gotta actually put it up here. So let's do that. You are, where are you? Nope, that's not it. Seriously, where are you? Hello? Probably should have checked this beforehand. There you are. All right, so here we go. You can see it's been mining for about 7 minutes. And yeah, it's actually at LHR 71. So it's at 71% of its mining capabilities. Now, I can increase the power. I can mess with the overclock settings and stuff like that. But for the sake of this video, we're doing apples to apples. You can see right here, I'm going to go ahead and take a, not a screenshot. I'm going to put up my my MSI Afterburner over here so that way you guys can see it. Where are you? Nope, that is not it. All right, hold on. I'm going to get this for you guys. But yeah, so you can see right here. And then I have it pulled up here. So while I do this, I have it pulled up here on my NiceHash rig devices, and it is using 102 watts. My 3060 is using 102 watts. So relatively close to what it was doing before. So before it was like 100 and around 110 watts. All right. So currently my entire rig here is using 314 watts. Okay, so I'm going to show you that really quick, and then I'll go ahead and get my MSI Afterburner up there for you. So it's using 314 watts right there. All right, so if I go to rig devices, you'll see my 3060. It says inactive, but that's what we're currently mining. So that's my 3060. It's using 102 watts. Something to note, it's actually much cooler instead of dual mining, because dual mining does use more of the GPU, so obviously it's going to heat up more. But it's using 101, 102 watts. According to this, it says I'm using 101 watts, but according to my NiceHash monitoring device or monitoring app, it's saying that I'm using 102. But either way, that's margin of error. It's not a big deal. Let me go ahead and, like I said, get this up here for you. No, I don't want two of you. I just want my Afterburner. There we go. Okay, so we got my MSI Afterburner right here, and you can see that I currently have it set at 60% power limit. That's the same that I had it set as dual miner. All these settings that I currently have are identical to dual miner. Okay, when I'm doing mining Ethereum and Conflux, these are the settings that I use. I've gone over that in a prior video. I can't speak today, like I said, my voice is gone, all that. But I went over this in a prior video, so I'll leave a link to that so you guys can take a look at that. But yeah, so that's what we have currently, how it's set. Now I'm gonna mess with things just because I'm curious as to what it does for the LHR stuff, but maybe that's for another time. So yeah, stay tuned for another video on this one, because there's a lot of stuff that the Trex miner is doing that I really, really enjoy. One, as a miner who likes to experiment with the different algorithms, and two, just to see what we can push, man. Like, honestly, they're doing really good stuff when it comes to bypassing the LHR. But how far can we take it? How far can we go before we start seeing that LHR blocker, right? Like that limit. Again, another video for another time. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Make sure you hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you guys are new. I hope that you found this informational. Well, something else to note before we go, really quick, is the kilowatt per hour is almost the same, right? As far as efficiency, it's almost the same. It's in that 300 marker. So like when I'm dual mining, it's, when you add them together, it's almost the same. But the thing is, Conflux, it's going to be a more efficient kind of, in a way, than Ethereum, but it doesn't mean it's more profitable. But another video for this one, because I'm very curious to see how far this auto tuning can take it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you guys are new. Don't forget to leave me a comment. I want to know about your day. I'm genuinely interested in your day. I will respond. With that being said, everybody, happy mining.